Hey y'all, it's Crystal at MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and I'm going to show you how to make a super quick and easy and delicious Whole30 compliant dip. Anything you want to dip in, say potato wedges or chicken pieces, anything like that, this dip is what you need. It's super easy to make, like I said. It's 3 ingredients, 4 if you want to add chopped cilantro. So we are going to use the Primal Kitchen Chipotle Lime Mayo, the Primal Kitchen Whole30 Ranch, made with avocado oil, and ground chipotle. And it's super easy. It's 1 part of the Chipotle Lime Mayo to 1 part of the Whole30 Ranch. And then you season it to taste with the chipotle powder. And you can add chopped cilantro if you want to. And I'm just going to eyeball it here. Half and half. There we go. And since I know that I like a tablespoon worth of this, I'm just going to pour out about a tablespoon in the palm of my hand and add it in there. And just going to stir it all up. Now, if you want some garlic, you could throw a little bit of garlic powder or a fresh minced garlic in here. You can add a little bit of diced jalapeno if you want it more spicy. And I actually am going to add the cilantro to this, just about, I don't know, that's like a tablespoon worth. And that's it. Now it's good right away, or you can put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for a couple of hours. It actually gets a little bit better when the flavors are allowed to sit and, you know, hang out together for a few minutes or a couple of hours, not a few minutes. It takes a little bit more woo time than that. But this is just so delicious. I hope that you give it a try. I like to dip my potato wedges in this, and that's what I'm going to do here in a little bit. I'll see y'all later. For more great recipes, head over to MrsHappyHomemaker.com.